Welcome, young gardeners, to our gardening adventure. Today we're going to learn some basic gardening terms and how to spell them.
Hi there, budding gardeners. Let's dig into some gardening basics together.
First up, we have soil, S-O-I-L. Soil is the dirt in which plants grow. Next we have seeds, S-E-E-D-S. Seeds are tiny plant embryos that we plant in the soil. Now, let's talk about watering can. W-A-T-E-R-I-N-G-C-A-N. A watering can is a container used to water plants. Moving on to sunlight. S-U-N-L-I-G-H-T. Sunlight is the natural light from the sun that helps plants grow. And finally, we have sprout. S-P-R-O-U-T. A sprout is a tiny new plant that emerges from a seed. Great job, little gardeners! Now you know some important gardening terms and how to spell them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun gardening adventures. Happy planting!